Hi, I'm Maureen Collins and I'm the owner of the White Azalea, and today we're going to talk a little bit about porch living, one of my favorite places to be. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use herbs and simple items to decorate your porch. So these are two of the herbs that I like to use to decorate my porch with. This one is basil and this one is rosemary, and I put them in these great little terracotta pots that I have had for years, and I find with terracotta pots, the older they get, the better they look. Rosemary is great for cooking chicken or using with lamb. It gives you a great flavor. Then I have basil, and again I put it in this little pot, and basil is great for putting in your sauce or using it in a basil mayonnaise, and it's just a wonderful, easy plant to grow. I have this little shelf that I've had for years, and I just put them on there and I tuck it in the corner, and that way when I need some of these herbs, it's very convenient to the kitchen, and it looks pretty. So now I want to talk about a few simple things that I do. It just helps your porch look enchanting. One of the plants that I love is lavender, and this has a lot of great qualities because it not only smells good, but it keeps the little buggies away. I pick it up at the garden center. This is the pot that it came in, and I'm not going to do anything special to it. I'm just going to drop it into this pot that I happen to have. And then I decorated it with a few of my favorite little things that I've collected over the years. And here's another simple trick that you can do. I went to a thrift store and I found this great lantern, and it was missing the glass, but for $5 I put a plant in it, and I think it looks wonderful. This is a wire vine plant, and it's just simple and elegant, and it's ground cover, so it doesn't cost a lot of money. And I've decorated again with a few of my favorite things and put it together so that it's pleasing to the eye and it just adds charm to your porch. And the last thing I'm going to talk about today is this cute little strawberry pot. And you can go to your local garden center and you can pick up a strawberry pot and some Miracle-Gro garden soil, because I'm not an expert gardener and I need all the help I can get, and some pea gravel, which I use in the bottom. I'm not going to use it for strawberries because I did that once before and I ended up with wild strawberries all over my lawn, so we're not going to do that. So the first thing I do is put a little pea gravel in the bottom, and then I put my dirt in, and then I've picked up English ivy, which is a very strong plant. It's hardy and you really can't kill it. And I'm just going to put that in there and move some dirt around so that it's nice and solid and planted in there. And another plant that I used is creeping ginny, and it's just got a beautiful color, and it's hardy and it drapes and it just makes the whole pot look wonderful. And then what I'm going to do for the top is put this plant, this house plant that I've had in, it came in this pot, and I noticed that it just fit perfectly in there, so I don't have to do anything. Or you could use a pothos, which is another wonderful plant that takes very little care and it lives from year to year. You can bring it in the winter and bring it back out on your porch in the summer, and it just keeps growing and it's beautiful. And there you go. Thank you for watching this video today, and if you like what you saw, please subscribe, and also there's more information on thewhiteazalea.com, and we'll see you in our next video.